Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My today's video is all about the volume issues in your device Samsung Z Fold 3. So if you're facing volume problems like it is getting lowered or increased by itself, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how can you fix your volume problems in your device.